Hi, Janie. I haven't seen you in a while.
Hey, Sophie.
How are you?
Hey, are you still doing that thing in the neighborhood?
What is it again? Oh, yes, we love it. We're just meeting in the park in a few minutes now. Come join us if you like.
Okay.
Welcome to our Unity Moment for the spiritually minded, the freedom minded, and anyone who loves unity. Who has a share? I have one. A thought for unity. Unity is greater than the whole world. Wow, that's a good one. And so, friends, that's how we do it. At home, with our family, with our friends, our work, anywhere we can, we share conversations that matter, that help us grow in heart and soul. Hope to see you there, friends. Spreading unity, love, and peace around the world.